Introducing the 2021 Skoda Kodiaq 7S STY 2.0 Ti 150 HP DSG, the ultimate family SUV designed for comfort, safety and style. This sleek black beauty is powered by a 2-litre diesel engine with automatic transmission, making every drive a breeze. Loaded with top-of-the-line features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, rear heater controls and collision avoidance braking, the Kodiaq ensures a smooth and secure ride for you and your loved ones. But that's not all. With chrome accents, privacy glass and roof rails, this SUV stands out from the crowd. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't wait, call us today or visit spiritskoda.ie for more information on this incredible Skoda Kodiaq.